Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be creating an eye look, which is a cut crease eye look, and I'm going to be creating the cut crease using this eyelash color. I'm going to be trying it for the first time. I'm going to be cutting the crease using an eyelash color, so let's see how it goes and I will show you how you can do it. Starting with priming my face before I begin my makeup using She Glam's primer. After I'm done priming my face, I'm going to be using this concealer to conceal my eyelid before I begin with my eye makeup. So for today's look, I'm using this She Glam Stay Juicy palette, and this palette has mattes and shimmers of browns and oranges. It is really a very pigmented palette and I really like the shades. It has browns and the neutrals, so I'm going to be taking this neutral shade, going to be mixing these two and apply it on my crease as a transition shade. Now taking this brown shade and I will be packing it on my crease. To blend out that brown shade well, I'm going to be taking this transition shade and blending out all the harsh edges. Moving on to the cut crease part, I'm going to be using this eyelash curler and using the same concealer I used to conceal my eyelid. I'm going to be using the wand and apply it on top of the eyelash curler just like this. I'm not going to be applying the concealer all the way through. I'm just going to be doing it halfway because I'm going to create a half cut crease look, so I'm stopping it right there. I'm going to be lifting my eye a little and just place it where my crease folds, just like that. And this is how it looks on the first try. I'm just going to be redoing it a few more times until I get the perfect cut crease shape I want. I've done it a few more times and I think this one looks much better than I did the first time. So I won't be redoing it again with the eyelash curler. I'm just going to be stopping it right here. And now for the inner part of filling the lid, I'm going to be taking the same concealer and I'll just be filling it using a thin flat brush. If any touch-ups are needed for the crease line, it can be done using the same flat brush as I'm doing it, a little bit here and there, just making sure that the line is perfect. And this is how my cut crease looks like at the end. Now to fill in my lid, I'm going to be using this golden shimmery shade and I'm going to be packing it on my lid. Now taking the same brown shade I used on my crease, I'm going to be applying it on my outer corner. While applying it, I'm going to be dragging it inside the shimmer part so that it looks nicely blended. Now I'm going to be beginning with my lower lash line. I have applied the same concealer, blending it out, and I'm going to be packing the same brown shade I did on top and just applying it on my lower lash line. Blended the edges of the brown shade well, and now for the mascara I'm using the Huda Beauty's Legit Lash Mascara. Earlier I had thought of not applying eyeliner for this look, but now I'm just here applying eyeliner. I think it looks good with this look, so I'm applying a winged eyeliner which had to go in before mascara. And that's it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really enjoyed creating this cut crease look using an eyelash curler, which was my first time trying out the trick, and I think it really works well. It works as a guide for beginners who really want to try cut crease look but are not professional with this or something. You can just use an eyelash curler, and I think it really works very well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such eye look tutorials. I will be back with another video really soon. Until next time, bye bye.